Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. For the ones who are new here, then you can go subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button so that every time I upload a video you get notified, and also like the video if you like the video, and comment down below if you want to comment anything. And also you can follow me on Instagram. I'll put my handle down below and also it will be on the screen somewhere. So saying all that, let's roll into today's video. So in today's video what I'm gonna do is, as you already read by the title, I'm gonna make a DIY bookmark. Yeah guys, you heard it right. It's gonna be super simple, super easy. So yeah, so this is like like any when you buy new clothes you get the labels, right? Tag. So label tags, what you with that, there are some label tags you get where it will be like too hard and steady. See, like just like this one, it's like very hard and steady. So the ones which are like this, you can take that and actually use it this way only, like a bookmark, if you don't mind. But if you want a little fancy, then I'll show you what you can do. So yeah, come on, let's go. So in order to keep the surface safe, I've laid out plastic paper. It's actually garbage bag, don't mind, sorry. So here's the tag. You can take any tag, and what you're gonna do with the tag is we're gonna paint. So yeah, these are the paints. Whichever color you like, you can actually pick it up. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Not sure which color I need, but I think I'll go with purple because purple is like my favorite color since like forever. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do with. I'm gonna go with purple. For mixing, I think I have some sheet which they have given, so I'll use this sheet. Oh, they've written the color name. I actually have to see by mixing what color I'll get purple. So I'll be just back. So I just checked blue and oh, there's two blue and red they told. So this is red. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna mix these two. Yes. So water is ready. Now we're gonna start with mixing. Oh my god, I'm real scared because this is the first time ever I'm taking a paint and doing things. So let's take a brush. I've actually bought this just to paint, which freaking never happened in my life. So yeah, today is the day where I'll be doing something. I don't know which brush to take also. Which brush? I think I'll take this, if this makes sense. It's so hard. Why is it so hard? I think I have to first do it like this. Why is it so hard? Okay. Now it came all right. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right or not. So just let it leave everything to God. So wow, it's not opened. Actually, these are all like I bought it only because I wanted to paint and make a video out of it, which never happened. But yeah, in the future you can expect a video, okay? Me painting for the first time. And if you guys want to watch, if you guys want me to make that video, then do let me know in the comments so that I'll be inspired and make it, I'll just take a little bit. I'm not sure how much to take also. Okay, I think that much is enough, or should I take more? The whole thing we're gonna paint, so I'll take a little more. Okay, don't you feel it's equal? Wow. Okay, let's just put all the water. Let me mix it. Oh, it's not purple. I don't know, something it's big. Gee, what is this color? Which color is this? Oh, it's very dark purple. It's purple, by the way. It's violet actually. So I think I have to add, I don't know what I have to add for this. It's purple, right? Sorry, I think it was not focused earlier. I'm really sorry. I think I have to add white. That's my life. Okay, I'll be back. My ring light just went out. So I'll just add white. That's what they told. I wanted like little light lavender. So yeah, I think I have to add tons of white right now. Oh my god. So hey, I'm back. Oh my god. Oh, why is it? Wow, no. Yes, it's becoming purple. Hi, so cute. This is the first time I'm doing. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry for the kind of reaction I'm giving, but it's really fun to do, right? Oh, look how it's changing its color. I think I can add little water, but how should I add like this? Little water. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh man, I think this much will be enough for that whole thing. Oh my god, what to do? I really like this color, so I think I'm gonna paint it this only. Wow, it's a pretty color, right? Yay, let me paint, I think. So yeah, let's do it. Oh my god. Hi, it looks so pretty. Should I like give it one more like something? Really not sure. Smoothen it out like this. I think it's alright. It's stressing actually. I'm happy by the way. It's so cute. This is me going crazy because I'm crazy. But how do I leave it to dry it now? Look, it's so pretty, no? Yay. So I just hold it till it's dry or what? Why are these brushes? I didn't know which brand to take. I only knew Faber Castell, so I was like, okay, fine, let's try this. And it's no good, guys. See? Yeah. Not nice. See? Oh my god, why it's not focusing? Hello? Yeah. See? The whatever. Just tired of it. Okay, now it's done. I'm thinking to do something on top of it, so I'll just blow it. Shall I just on the fan? I think it will dry out. Yeah? Yes, let me do that. And it's very hot out here. I can't bear with this heat, dude. Like, I can't. What is happening? Like, why is it so hot nowadays? Bangalore weather. It is cold, hot, rainy. I don't know. Like, the weather also forgot. Like, what is going on? So yeah, this is it. I think it's almost dry. Yeah, it is almost dry. So I'm thinking to like make like white flowers here and there, or should I just make like clouds? Not sure. I don't want to spoil what I've done here. So what should I do now? Oh my god. Okay, I think I'll go with white flowers. So fresh water is ready. I think I have to do this. Do I need thinner brush than this? I'm not really sure how should I do this. What do you call? What was I going to do? Shit, I forgot. The flowers. Like I'm not an artist. How bad can I be? I think I can do it, right? How tough will be to draw just flowers. Right? Not right. I don't know how to. This is not of to. Oops, sorry. Ooh, I'm really bad, guys. Very, very bad I am. Shit. I think I have to wear my specs. I really can't see what's happening. Oh, this isn't so bad. I think I'm gonna mess this up. I have a feeling. But yeah, it's okay, it's yours. So who's gonna judge? If they judge also, I don't care. Like, really. It's a known fact that I'm not an artist, so yeah. How to make this okay? Cheat. This is the worst test. Okay, we can leave that alone right now. Oh my god. Any artist who's watching, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, okay? How did I think that this was easy? But I think I'm getting there, right, guys?